Is your home currently on the market and just not selling? Well, in today's market, it's not exactly a cakewalk. It's more like trying to run a marathon uphill in flip-flops. If your home is currently on the market and it seems no one wants to buy it, well, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 reasons why homes aren't selling. Stick around until the end because the top 2 reasons might surprise you. And they're game changers. Let's start with number 5, market conditions. Sometimes it's not you, it's the market. You have rising interest rates, inflation concerns, and fewer active buyers can make even the most well-prepped home take longer to sell. It's a classic case of supply and demand. And when the pool of buyers shrinks, your home has to work a lot harder to stand out. Now, here's what you can do about it. First of all, stay calm, be patient, and be flexible. Timing is everything. This is where working with an agent who knows the market inside and out can make all the difference. A good agent can help you adjust your strategy based on current trends, whether it's updating your marketing plan or even temporarily taking your home off the market to relaunch it at the right time. Now, here's an example. I've had clients who took this advice, and when we relisted their home with a fresh approach, it sold in a matter of weeks. Now, here's the key. Work with an agent who truly understands market conditions and listen to their expertise. Reason number 4, poor marketing. Now, let's be real. Bad marketing can be a deal killer. You have blurry photos, poorly lit rooms, and boring listing descriptions, which can make buyers scroll down right past your home. Now, in today's digital world, most buyers are looking at properties online first. And if your listing doesn't wow them from the start, guess what? They're gonna move on and never even set foot inside. Now, here's a fix. Invest in professional photography, drone footage, and virtual tours. Tell a story with your listing description that captivates what makes your home special. You see, buyers, they want to imagine themselves living there, so paint that picture for them. A great listing agent will also understand how to create buzz for your home through social media and digital advertising. They'll know how to get your home in front of the right audience. Now, I've seen listings with professional photos and videos that generate twice as many showings compared to similar homes without them. See, it's the exposure that matters. Now, the third reason why homes don't sell is because bad first impressions and over-personalizations. You've probably heard it before. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. So when buyers pull up to your house, the front yard is the first thing they see. If the landscaping is overgrown or the entryway feels uninviting, the first impression can sour the whole experience. Now, once they step inside, it gets even trickier. If your decor is too bold, cluttered, or overly personalized, buyers will have a hard time seeing themselves living there. Now, here's what you can do about that. Boost your curb appeal. Clean up the yard, add some fresh flowers, and maybe a new welcome mat. Now inside, keep it light, bright, and neutral. Depersonalize. Hack away family photos, collections, and the bold design choices. Take those magnets off your refrigerator. Think model home. Now, here's a pro tip. During showings, set the mood. Open all the windows, turn on the lights, and play soft music like classical or jazz. And yes, fresh baked cookies or a light vanilla scent go a long way too. Reason number 2, unrealistic pricing. Now, this is one of the biggest reasons homes don't sell. And honestly, it's a tough one for many sellers to accept. Now, I get it. Your home is special to you. and it's easy to believe it's worth more than what the market says. But buyers don't care about sentimental value. They care about value for them. Now, if your price is out of sync with the market, buyers will skip your listing without a second thought. Even if your home is beautiful, pricing it too high will scare people away. Now, here's what you can do. Do your homework and get a professional valuation. Better yet, work with an agent who understands how to price it right the first time. Now, this means analyzing comparable sales, market trends, and unique features of your home to find that sweet spot. Now, I recently helped a client adjust their price by 3%, and within 2 weeks, we had multiple offers. Finally, the number one reason why homes don't sell: not working with the right agent. Now, this is the most critical reason. Who you work with does matter. Not all agents are created equal. If you're trying to sell your home, you need to find someone who specializes in listings. Not just any agent, but one who knows the market, how to market, has an eye for staging, and to price the home properly so that it sells quickly for the best and highest price. Now, a great agent will have a comprehensive marketing plan, strong negotiation skills, and a deep understanding of your local market. They'll know how to attract serious buyers and help you avoid costly mistakes. Here's an important tip. Interview multiple agents before choosing one. Ask about their experience, their strategy for selling your home, and how they've handled homes similar to yours. This is the number one reason: picking the right agent. And there you have it. The top 5 reasons homes aren't selling, and more importantly, what you can do to avoid them. Selling a home isn't magic. It's about preparation, strategy, and having the right team in your corner. If you've got questions or want more tips, leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Whether you're looking to buy or sell in the Phoenix metro area or anywhere else in the country, I can help or get you connected with my trusted network of real estate agents who are ready to help you. Click the link in the description to set up a one-on-one meeting with me. I'm Joey Sampaga with Living Rightsized, here to make your right-sizing journey a smooth and fulfilling one as you prepare for the next season of life. Until next time, have a great day, take care, and God bless. Bye now.